first thing you want to do is to prime the eye area, and I'd recommend doing this even if you aren't going to be wearing any eyeshadow. Once you've applied your primer, then you want to set it in place, and this will just prevent the oils that your eyes produce from breaking down your mascara and or eyeshadows throughout the day. We're just creating a barrier between our skin and our makeup. Before you apply mascara to your lids, slide the mascara wand out of the tube, and as you're doing so, lean it against the side of the tube as you're pulling up, and this will take any excess mascara off the mascara wand and will leave you just with enough to coat your lashes. And by taking that excess mascara off, you'll prevent the mascara from smearing up onto the eye area. If you need to pick up more product, never pump the mascara up and down in the tube. It'll ruin the formula as you're allowing air to get into the tube, and it'll dry out the mascara, and in turn when you apply the product it'll be clumpy and flaky and will most likely end up around the eye area. When it comes to applying the mascara, if you've trouble with the mascara transferring up around the eye area, take a piece of card, I'm just using one of my business cards, place it at the root of the lashes and use it like a shield to protect the eye area and just coat your lashes as normal. I actually find that having the card there lets me really coat down to the root of the lash because I don't mind dirtying the card. If you don't have something to hand that you can use as a little shield, look straight ahead when applying your mascara or down into a mirror. Look anywhere but up because you'll either be more likely to knock the wand off your eye or your lashes will hit off the crease/brow bone area, causing the mascara to transfer. If you have smudged your mascara, don't panic. Wait until it dries, really important, and then take either a spoolie or a cotton bud and wriggle over where the mascara has transferred and it'll just flake right off. I'm very careful with this step and I use small wriggly motions as to not disturb my foundation or eyeshadow underneath, and if you don't wait until it's dry it's just going to further smudge around and make an even bigger mess. But yeah, those are my tips and I hope you found them helpful. If you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, commenting and subscribing, and I'll chat to you all soon.